Are you going to get your bumblebees? Oh, Scarlett is playing and she's such a big girl. You're 6 months old today. Did you know that? 6 months. That's a half a year. We're going to be celebrating in another 6 months. Are you talking? Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, my goodness. What else? Oh, you're going to eat your bumblebee? Are you going to eat it? Can we see your new trick? Can we see your new trick? Can you roll over? Can you roll over? Oh, boy. Maybe not right now. Maybe sometime later. Get your bumblebees. Mama loves you. Happy year, my little angel.